Develop students' writing abilities with this guided writing folder. This trifold walks students through the writing process, supporting them in the brainstorming, drafting, and editing stages. Part 1 prompts students to identify the type of writing they are being asked to complete and provides them a place to brainstorm. Part 2 helps students outline their writing and organize the key information. Once they've gone through their outline, students should then draft their written response. This can be done on a separate piece of paper or, as you see here, on a whiteboard. Part 3 provides checklists to help students edit for key content, including introductions, evidence, transitions, and more, as well as editing for grammar and mechanics. There is also a space for students to practice time management and executive functioning. Students can write directly on the laminated pages of this trifold so that when they are done, they can erase them and use the folder again and again.